Don't close. Jesus, pray for us. I don't know what time because we're gonna see this vlog after we are back.
I didn't know I was telling you.
You guys ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Can we move on as before? I could wait for 1,000 years, but it won't do us any good. Will you bet if you get the chance? I know I surely would.
66 million.
My heart feels like a deja vu. So come back soon, you are my missing part.
Good morning, Tish gang. How are you guys? Welcome back to a new vlog. This is a traveling vlog. We are going to Lesotho with my friend. So it's a Thursday morning today. Yeah, it's very early. It's around 6 a.m. So I'm gonna drive to my friend's place, and then from there we are leaving to Lesotho, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna be there for 3 nights. We're coming back on Sunday. Yeah, we're going to Lesotho for 2 days, then 1 day at Clarence. Yeah, so let's take it from there, guys. Let's get going. This is my traveling fit: sweatpants, a hoodie, and my men's puffer jacket, guys. Yeah, we shall see. Let's go, guys.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself?
Let's try again.
Trying to forget how you felt. Just take a look at yourself.
Check out this thing.
Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So you should feel it. Somehow you think that you need it. Others' opinions to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it. If you're sinking or swimming, existing or living,
First toll gate.
He's like, oh, what do you think this is? And I was like, well, in 800 meters, turn left.
Guys, we are at Frankfurt in town. I'm looking for a speller at the safety pin. So let's see. Oh, Dumela. Then guy. Luna little mao. Oh. Dumela. Look. Kopa le mao.
we could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want.
To get breakfast. these socks and a water bottle. I've forgotten the socks is. I took Tom. That time we saw your driver. Oh, hi guys, change of plans. So they called us at Afriski. The roads are closed because of the snow, so we can't go to Afriski where our accommodation is. Our accommodation is at Afriski for 2 days, so now we have to move things around and start by Clarence. So yeah, we have to, because we're gonna go to Clarence on Sunday, no? Is it Sunday? Saturday. On Saturday. So we're trying to call the Clarence accommodation so that they can move around the booking to today. So hopefully by tomorrow or Saturday at least the roads will be open. That's what we're hoping for. But at this point, because on my app it was saying 60% snow today, but tomorrow it looks sunny. So if not tomorrow, let's hope by Saturday or Sunday. Okay, even if it has to be Sunday, it's still fine as long as we can get to Afriski and do the skiing. The trip is about Afriski, nothing else, guys. If we're not going to Afriski, where are we going? Yo, Jesus, pray for us. I don't know what time, because we're gonna see this vlog after we are back. Oh, guys, sharp. I'll update you guys. Bye bye. We are heading to Clarence. Yes, let's go. Yeah, my worst fear just happened, son. And at least we're not sleeping on the road.
Your worst fear was to sleep on the road.
Yeah, but yes, I saw somewhere, but like, have a lamp. At least if you are stuck on the road, but a light. That's how they see you. I was checking all the reviews.
So manje how?
I guess they can see, like Baba Wanangama lights, then they can come and assist you apparently. So I just wanted to have all the we're taking pictures, guys.
We stay mind. You're 5 feet off the ground. You rest on my shoulder. The stars convey the light, so fragile in the night. In this moment, in this moment, forever be, forever be. In this moment, in this moment,
We are at Clarence Extreme.
forever be. The night fades like a whispered song as time rushes on. Oh, it won't be long, fading now until
It's for kids.
a picture on the wall, the moment frozen, not to fall. In this moment, in this moment, forever be, forever be. In this moment, in this moment, forever be, forever be.
You guys ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Yeah! Wait, wait. Shit.
No, you won't. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Peace.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ngomingenza ngiphola indlela inokhohlwa ukuthi-ke sonke sinemizwa lento inokungiphonsa edamini lemgonqa noma sekunjalo ngiyayizwa cishe ngaphuka izinto zomsakazo wentombi yami ngenxa yalento ebengizwa izolo cishe ngaphuka intamo ngenxa yalento zami zokusukela umdanso ngiphe mizolo. Ayimnandi lento ingenza ngifuna ukuhlalisa ipeyo, yeah. Ayimnandi lento ingenza ngifuna ukuhlalisa ipeyo, yeah.
Hi guys, we've arrived at our accommodation. So let's do a room tour. Looks nice and simple.
Yeah, it's nice and simple.
It's nice. This is the cupboard space. Oh, they also have some throws if you're gonna be feeling cold. They've got 3 drawers left. At least they have some hot bath with TV. On a Wi-Fi land.
Yeah.
On a aircon heater.
That time I'm somewhere in aircon.
They also have food and stuff. The menu there? Is that the menu?
Made. Ooh, there's an electric blanket.
Ooh, nice. Ngathi singayitshontsha fully.
I think it's because I think I understand that this place is closed. Oh, I said, wow, that's improved. What chocolate improved the brandy.
Oh, this flower is nice. Actually, I ordered these things from Shein.
Yeah.
My orders for Shein now. I ordered flowers like this. In the kitchen or on the window, bathroom windows. Okay, done, guys. This is what we are eating, chocolate croissants. Ke snack, ke lunch or snack, ke lunch or ke snack. Alice. This one's not bad. It tastes like bubble gum. For dinner, guys, where we went for gin tasting. The kitchen was closed. My flu, it's not even, actually it's fighting. I'm about to drink medicine because now I feel like I have fever. Like, I don't know if I'm tired from the tubing, my body is just reacting from that, or because of blowing my nose. That's why I'm having these feelings. But yo, I'm gonna go steam now. I just boiled water, and then I'm gonna go steam. At least I come with something to steam. My sister-in-law gave me when we went to her place because my son had used, so she used that, and it really unblocked. So I'm gonna put it in water and steam, and I'm just gonna drink the meds like nobody's business and sleep. We shall see you tomorrow. Guys, it's a Saturday today, so we just checked out. Oh, Friday. Okay, it's a Saturday today, so we're going for breakfast. We just checked out here in Clarence, so we're going for breakfast, then we're going to the Golden Gate. We'll see what we'll do there, and then we're gonna go to Lesotho. Finally, the weather looks good today, but when we woke up this morning, the screen was frozen. The windscreen was frozen. Guys, I don't know if winter traveling is for me. Winter vacation, kitty flu. But like, what do you even pack? Okay, let's say you're going like Russia, you want like a winter vacation. The way my bag was so full, kitty JC. Let's start there, and then the cold, and then the flu. Guys, then the car is frozen. Now you have to work, guys. Winter traveling. Not sure if it's for me, guys. And maybe Tantla, if you have a rich, I'll have been named Bash, you're tying up Hambiglin.
Yeah, bang it to let us in Julilla restaurant.
Actually, you eat the treat.
They eat the treats now in La Pans.
Oh. Okay, guys, we're going to the treat. We'll talk later or tomorrow. Yeah, it's the treat. Until the food comes, there's a fireplace. We are at the garage here. This is where you inquire about activities, like in the Golden Gate, yes. So when you want to do your activities, you come here at the reception. That's where the reception is. So these are the views.
Welcome everyone. Bare ine iri. They say it was said. A big beast roamed our land. We, the Basotho people of Kwakwa, have many stories of Kodumodumo. In one of them, Kodumodumo ate all the people in the village. Can you imagine that? Nowadays, thousands of different kinds, shapes and sizes. Some big enough to shake the earth when they walked. Dinosaurs existed on Earth for over 150 million years, then became extinct 66 million years ago. But wait, how did it start? And when? The Earth is always changing. And when dinosaurs were around some 200 million years ago, the world wasn't like it is today. All the continents were joined.
we're going to Lesotho now. Botabute, yes. Listen to that.